Hey there y'all, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. My name is JT, and in today's video y'all, we're gonna be upgrading my RAM for my PC. As you guys know, I've been having this PC for like a year or two now, and not gonna lie, it has 16 gigs of RAM. However, it's quite slow now, so I'm gonna start upgrading it, little by little. For now, I'm gonna upgrade the RAM, then I'm gonna upgrade the motherboard. So let's go ahead and get that started. I have never messed with something inside of a PC. So hopefully I don't mess something up, and if I do, then oh well, I'll get a new PC. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this out. Let's go. Alright y'all, so this is how the PC looks from the inside. As you can see, there's a lot of room for improvement, which by the way, I will be adding more stuff to it. Some of that stuff is more fans with RGBs, probably like a mini display inside, some freaking decorations and stuff like that. Yeah, I am planning to go big with this PC. Before we continue on with this video, if you guys could please check out one of my previous videos where I do the whole setup and unboxing for this PC. Honestly, it was super fun. I would totally recommend you guys go check it out before you guys continue on. But if you don't, then don't worry. I'll leave a link in the description, and also it's going to be at the end of this video. Alright, now let me get more into details about the specs. So this PC is made by iBuyPower, and they sell their PCs on their website or in Amazon, which that's where I got it from. Now, I bought this PC a year ago, so when I first bought it, the PC was $1,100. And a year later, which today, it is currently $929. So they dropped the price down for like a couple $100s. So yeah, if you want to get this PC, I would totally recommend this PC for people who are, barely starting to get into PCs and all that stuff, and who don't stream and who just play video games for fun and don't do anything else besides play video games. Now, this PC comes with a 3.7 GHz AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU. Which, by the way, I've been told is actually a pretty good CPU for a pre-built PC. So I think I'm not gonna change this for a while. I'm gonna keep it. However, I will be changing the fan for the cooling system thing here. It also comes with 16 gigs of RAM, which by the way is actually pretty decent for a gaming PC to come with that many RAM. For the hard drive, this PC comes with 1 terabyte. However, for memory size, it comes with 500 gigabytes of memory storage. So yeah, not quite a lot of space. If I were you guys, I would probably invest in some more space because you're gonna need it. Down here at the bottom, I installed a 1000 gigabyte or aka 1 terabyte of storage. So in total, I have 1500 gigabytes of space. Now for the graphics card, I got the AMD Radeon. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Radeon or whatever. But yeah, it's AMD, and it's a great graphics card for what I've been told. I have no issue so far with it, but I do want to upgrade it to something higher and stronger. Now, this is one of my biggest cons for this PC, and that is the fact that the motherboard is unbranded. I had a couple of people who I know who did their research, and I also did my research to find what kind of motherboard I had, and thus far we couldn't find anything. It's unbranded, so therefore is the reason why I can't play Valorant, and some of my games aren't playable. So yeah, if I were you guys, invest in a motherboard right away if you purchase one of these PCs. Alright y'all, now let's open up the new RAM. As you guys can see, this is made by Corsair. It's a 32 gigabyte RAM, so it comes with two 16 gigabyte RAM sticks. It's the Vengeance Pro RGB. Corsair is known for having a lot of RGB stuff in their products, which is pretty dope. Now let's unbox this real quick. I have to first open this up. Oh, come on, let's open up. Open. Oh, okay, let's see there. Oh, okay, all right. So as you guys can see, it comes with both 16 gigabyte sticks, and holy cow, it looks nice and everything. All right, let's get ready to install these. Honestly, I don't want to open them right now because I feel like I'm gonna drop them. So let's go ahead and turn over the PC and start installing them. Let's go ahead and put the new ones in. As you guys can see, I have them here, and apparently they have to go like this. So the little label in the back here, they have to go like that. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the old ones and put these ones in there. So the old ones, to remove them, all you gotta do is remove this little clamp right here, or pull it back, actually press it back. Boom, it should pop right up, and boom, remove. Pretty easy. This is a T-Force brand, the old one. Let's just put it to the side. Let's do the same with the other one. Boom. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. As you can see, T-Force brand. All right, let's take the new ones in. In. So whenever you put them back in, the new ones or the old ones, whichever ones you're putting in, you're gonna hear a click sound. That means that the clamp is clipping onto it or clamping onto them. So now this side, boom, done. Now this one, make sure this label's on the other side. It's facing the CPU. Boom, got it, and it's complete. Let's go. All right, that was a little bit easier than I expected. So let's go ahead and plug this in, turn it on, and see how it runs. Oh my god, it worked, y'all. As you can see, it is lighting up. That means it's perfect. Boom, look at that, beautiful. Let's go ahead and set this back up, set it together, and let's start playing, y'all. All right, y'all, so I finally finished setting up the PC and connecting everything. It took me a little bit longer than I expected because I had a whole bunch of mess down there, like cables and all that stuff. My cable management is some mess, but now it looks a little bit better. So yeah, now I want to turn it on and show you guys how it looks with all the RGB and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks. I'm pretty excited. Turn it on. Let's first turn it on and see how it goes. Oh, there are the two lines. Dude, that is so dope. Hell yeah. Oh man. Let's turn the lights off, see how it looks. Ooh. Looks badass. Alright, so we got it. Boom, bingo. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out with some games. So I'll see you guys right now in my PC. Alright, let's go. Alright, y'all, so here I'm in my PC. As you can see, I'm already loaded up into Call of Duty. And before we start Call of Duty, we're gonna go ahead and check the settings so we can verify that it's 32 gigs of RAM, not 16. So as you guys can see, installed the RAM, 32 gigs of RAM. Alright, perfect. We exit that out. Now, let's try a game. The settings are gonna change a little bit. So if you guys didn't know, my settings are at the lowest, right? So if you go to quality, my settings are really low, like really low. Everything's low. So let's go with texture resolution. Let's go with normal. All right, let's go normal. Apply. All right, let's try it out. I'm pretty sure I could put it up more and more, but for now we're just gonna try it out in normal. Let's see what happens. So I put the frames to normal. It actually looks fine. Yeah, it looks, I mean, it's working fine. Let's try it out. Graphics. Oh god, I'm gonna test that to the max. Let's go with high. Okay, this is where I start getting a little bit bad. Oh yeah, it's really getting, okay, now I can actually feel it now. So that's a texture. What if we just leave it in normal? Let's go with leave it on low. Nearby level of detail. Let's try that. Okay. Okay, let's try distant level of depth. Let's try high. Okay. I mean, yeah, my packet burst though. This game is always gonna have that. All right, so it's good. All right, y'all, I think it's good. Let's try out. Okay, let's put it back to low. Leave that high. Let's try out shader quality. Let's go with high. I mean, so far so good. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to test everything out right now because, you know, I have to play online and all that stuff, but so far it's acting good. Because honestly, when it was the old RAM and all that stuff, like when it was the old RAM and all that stuff, I couldn't even play anything in high. Like I would be frame lagging so bad. But now I have to get a new motherboard for sure. All right, y'all. So I guess that's it. Honestly, it was such a freaking it was pretty interesting installing this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and let me know how the new RAM looks, no, how it looks, and let me know what things should I do to try it out. You know, what other games should I try now that I can play them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.